All right, so in this video today, I want to try to crash the Avata. I'm going to fly it super aggressive, making super sharp movements. I'm going to do flips, I'm going to do flops. I'm going to do all the things that would typically make these crash or do what everybody is claiming is happening, which is crashing. So that's the goal. We're going to try to crash this intentionally by flying stupidly. Does that even make sense? Let's get started. It's a lot of bugs, a lot of shit. What is that? Holy shit, there it is. The freaking battery. Ha! Sweet. All right, so I found this, which I had no idea that I would find. I spent literally an hour looking, but I was pretty frazzled yesterday. Let me see, do I have any juice left in this battery? Yep, still 2 bars. So, all right, so now I have 5 batteries. That's a good thing. Alrighty, so that's gonna do it for this video. So as you can see, I really didn't have a lot of luck crashing it today, but spoiler, this is actually the second time I've been out here filming. Yesterday, I actually crashed this doing something stupid, which was changing the tilt of the camera. Whoa, oh, fucking crashed. That one was ejectocito. That fucked me. I mean, all right, well, mission accomplished. If we were trying to crash, we got to go find it. Somehow I was like super low and I was accidentally changing the tilt to like 40 degrees and smacked into the ground, sending this battery ejecting. So yesterday, this battery spent the night out here because I had thought I lost it. So I am working on a battery strap. I actually have my prototype battery strap in my hand now. However, I threw the Avata before, I threw it, and the battery strap broke. Now, because I know that other battery straps are going to fall to the same fate, I'm redesigning it again. I'm actually gonna offer a couple of different types of battery straps for different types of flyers. So I should have those ready to go by Monday, providing it can pass my next crash test. That's one thing I do with all of these tests. I will literally destroy an Avata to make sure whatever product it is that I'm going to sell will actually work. I'm not just putting shit out there just because somebody's gonna buy it. I wanna make sure it actually works. And that's why it's taking me so long to put these battery straps out, because every battery strap I've tried has a fatal flaw, and that fatal flaw is this little piece right here. Yeah, more on that next time. But if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe. Hopefully you're enjoying the Avata content as much as I am enjoying creating it for you. I'll see you next time. Stay original.
I heard they checking for me, no one checking on me, so I had to go run up a check. I got the message on me, ain't no flexing on me, my attorney gon' call and collect. Blessings on blessings for me, my successes only made them envious, they got upset. I had to put all their egos in check. I want the money, the power, respect, and I heard you know so-and-so.
I'm not flying with DVR. I just know sort of the trajectory I was in, but I have no idea. What is that? Is that a GoPro? Holy shit, I found a GoPro Hero 3 Plus out here. Okay, I wonder whose this is.